All right, hey guys, I want to show you another feature of Inventor. If you look on the screen, you'll notice the same part that I just had you calculate the volume, surface area, mass, and density mass for. Well, Inventor can do this for you. Which begs the question, why have you do it by hand? Well, there's at least a couple of reasons I can think of right off the top. One is that you may not, as you don't right now, have access to Inventor to do this for you. So it would be a good idea to be able to do it by hand that way. Second would be, just because Inventor is doing it for you doesn't mean that Inventor may not miscalculate something. There may be something about your model perhaps that you don't recognize, like maybe you didn't make it in the right units, or you didn't make it the right size. So being able to calculate by hand what it should be, and then being able to verify that it's accurate is always a good idea. All right, so in this part, we made this in inches, but I want to get the mass and the density mass in grams and grams per cubic centimeter. So the first thing I can do is I can go to Tools, which is right above. So if I was in 3D model, I'd go over here to Tools right above the ribbon and go to Document Settings. In Document Settings, I would then go to Units. Now I've already changed this, but here I can change my length from inches to centimeters. I'm going to keep my angles as degrees and my time as seconds, but I'm going to change my mass from pounds mass to grams. And then I'm going to click apply and then close this out. So now my part, same part, nothing changed about it except for now Inventor is looking at it in SI units rather than customary US. All right, so to find the iProperties dialog, I go to File, and down here is iProperties. In iProperties, I'm then going to go to Physical. Now, initially, this part will read as generic. In generic, generic will give you a density of 1 gram per cubic centimeter. That's default. There is no material called generic. This is just how Inventor has to have some sort of baseline. But you can see that it does give you the area and it does give you the volume. So you can check your results right here based on area and volume. If I then go to material, and as I had you do for this assignment, calculate it as aluminum, Inventor gives me the mass in grams in aluminum, as if this were made from aluminum, and it will also give me the density in grams per cubic centimeter for the aluminum, which is now 2.7. So this can be very handy for you as a way to check your density, check your mass, get your area and volume, but it's still always beneficial to know how to do these things by hand, to both check, to make sure that Inventor is accurate, and because, as you know right now, you may not always have Inventor access.